5 upon 2 under square root minus 2 upon 5 under square root. How to subtract these fractions which are radicals? So there are two methods. Let's see the method 1. And you tell me which method you like more. So first method is we rationalize the denominators. So we have 5 upon 2 under square root minus 2 upon 5 under square root. Now when a upon b is under nth root, then this means a under nth root upon b under nth root. So this means we can write it as square root of 5 upon square root of 2 minus square root of 2 upon square root of 5. Now let's rationalize the denominators for both the fractions. To rationalize it, we divide and multiply it with the denominator so that fraction doesn't change. We can cancel these and these, and the fraction will be square root of 5 upon square root of 2. This fraction also, let's rationalize it. Square root of 2 upon square root of 5, multiply and divide it by square root of 5. This will be square root of 10. Square root of a times square root of b, we can write it as a times b under square root. So it will be 5 times 2 under square root upon square root of 2 square minus 5 times 2 under square root upon square root of 5 square. Now we can remove the square root with this square, so it will be square root of 10 upon 2 minus square root of 10 upon 5. Now we can find the LCD of the denominators. 2 and 5 are prime numbers, so LCD of prime numbers are, we multiply both the numbers, so it will be 10. So write 10 here. Now 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 multiplied to square root of 10 is 5 times square root of 10 minus 10 divided by 5 is 2, and 2 multiplied to square root of 10 is 2 times square root of 10. Now we can take square root of 10 as common and write 5 minus 2 upon 10. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 times square root of 10 upon 10. So this is the answer, and this is how we subtract the fractions with radicals. This is one method. Second method is we use the butterfly method. We have, now again we can write it as nth root. Use the property a upon b under nth root is nth root of a upon nth root of b. So let's write it as square root of 5 upon square root of 2 minus square root of 2 upon square root of 5. Now in the butterfly method, we multiply crisscross the numerators and denominators like this. So this will be square root of 5 times square root of 5, so square root of 5 square minus square root of 2 times square root of 2 will be square root of 2 square, then upon multiply the denominators, square root of 2 times square root of 5. Remove the square root with the square, so it is 5 minus 2 upon square root of 10. So this is 3 upon square root of 10. Now in the denominator we cannot have a radical, so let's rationalize it. To rationalize it, we divide and multiply it by square root of 10, the denominator. So it will be 3 times square root of 10 upon square root of 10 square. Remove the square root with the square, so it is 3 times square root of 10 upon 10. So this is the answer, and these are two different methods that you can use to solve this question. Which method did you like more? Let me know in the comment section.